Did you know that SmartThings is the easiest way to turn your home into a smart home? Your smart home needs a brain, so get started with a SmartThings hub. It connects wirelessly with a wide range of smart devices and makes them work together. Next, add some smart devices and put your home to work. Choose from a wide range of compatible devices, including lights, speakers, locks, thermostats, sensors, and more. Finally, use one of the SmartThings apps, Google Home, or Amazon Alexa to control your home. Teach your house new tricks by telling it what to do when you're asleep, awake, away, and back home. SmartThings really is the easiest way to turn your home into a smart home. Samsung SmartThings. Add a little smartness to your things.
Today, more people are leading healthier, active lifestyles. Our kids are playing more sports, more families are hitting the great outdoors, and more of us are running, doing yoga, hitting the gym, and engaging in extreme sports. The result? A constant battle against odor, at home, in the car, and on the go. What we do to combat odor is anything but healthy. In fact, there's an increasing body of evidence that we are poisoning ourselves. Many of the sprays, gels, plug, and clip-on devices that only mask odor contain dangerous chemical compounds. Fed up with this, the creators of Remodeez went to work to create a safe, effective, and non-toxic solution to everyday odors. On a mission to outsmart smell, we needed to eliminate odor at the source, and at every source, we found moisture. The active ingredient in Remodeez is dual action. It helps to remove the moisture that often harbors the bacteria and fungus that produce odor, and it captures the organic compounds that we perceive as odor. Watch as Remodeez, in as little as an hour and a half, eliminates the odor-harboring moisture. Remodeez active ingredient is non-toxic activated carbon and lasts up to a year. It works great in shoes, boots, skates and cleats, helmets, gym bags, boxing gloves, hockey gear, luggage, storage bins, lockers, cars, boats and RVs, in your hamper, any place around the home you have odor, just place a Remodeez and let it go to work. Smart, safe, and amazingly effective. Remodeez. Outsmart smell.